Hello friends, today we're coming to you with a mail call and our sticker board is up and running. Welcome to our channel. It's Gma
and Papa.
This mail call is from Happy Place Camping. Happy Place Camping. Jesse and Felicity run this channel. They have a great channel. They're in the process of rebuilding one of their vehicles to make it an off-road camper. Felicity also has a new channel called Happy Place Camping. Happy Place Cooking. So you guys check them out. Let's see what this note says. Just wanted to send you our sticker for your growing collection. Felicity, Jesse, and Darby. Well, thank you so much, guys. We really appreciate it. That's a cool sticker. We're going to put it on the sticker board. You guys, I will leave a link down below to Happy Place Camping and Happy Place Cooking. Now let's take a look at our sticker board here. We've got In the Backyard with Dale, Dave Collier Camping, Cat in the North, Grandma Prepper, Nikki St. Laurent, Send to Georgie, and one of my stickers from my original channel name was Silver Grandma. Now I do have other stickers from my Instagram community, but those stickers have been placed on the boxes that I keep my silver and gold in. And I'm just going to keep this board here for my YouTube friends. So if you guys are interested and you'd like one of my old stickers, the Silver Grandma one, just send me an email. I'll be happy to send you one. I don't know if we're going to have new stickers made with the new channel name. I don't know yet. But hey, you guys have a great Easter. Happy Easter. God bless you all. Take care. Have a great weekend. And we will see you later.
See you later. God bless.
Catch you on the flip side.